Put your crown on. Let's see how pretty you look. You're the queen in this house, huh? Call all the shots. Wow. She had it on upside down. It was so cute. You gonna put it on upside down? Oh my goodness. Woo. Eddie's like, I want to wear it. Aww. Good job. Aw, you sharing with Eddie. Oh my goodness, look at you. Oh, now you're gonna dance. Woo! Woo! You're so funny. Oh my gosh.
I don't think that's Mommy's idea of snuggling.
Ah, you're silly. Look at that hair. Look at that hair.
Oh my goodness.
Ah.
Whoa. So much for snuggling.
Meanwhile, I'm getting beat up. No,
She's just gonna sit there.
She did the the beast
She's
is
my little Java.
being relocated. Oh, her little eyes are sticking out. I can see her little eyes. You see your little eyes.
Use the force, Chelsea.
Chelsea is wanting to flop on mommy. She likes to play and then flop on me, and twice now she's hit my stomach where it hurts. So I'm like, okay, you gotta go play with daddy.
Oh, you're stuck now. She
Oh,
is
man.
all wrapped up.
I see that.
She's just gonna sit there. You're like Eddie when we put a blanket on him.
As long as she can get out, okay? Look at those feet kick.
You gotta check the backside.
Whoa!
You got rice all up in your booty.
Eddie's getting lots of scraps tonight. Look at her.
Look at this.
Knee. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's everywhere.
She's laughing.
Oh geez, look at that.
Eddie's having a fit because he's behind the gate so that he wouldn't pester us during dinner.
Shake
for the beast.
I'll free him in a second. Are you
Shake it
shaking?
Shake that rice off.
Woo!
Shake it off.
Good job. She's got some in her sleeve.
Oh, it's everywhere.
Oh, it is. I
I
just
found it in the couch cushions left from
from last night. There you go, Dada. I help.
Okay, I guess it's time to let the beast out. Get the vacuum cleaner.
Old Hoover.
Go ahead. Oh, yep, little trailer of rice.
All the way into the living room. Eddie loves it. He'll clean it up in just a few minutes.
He doesn't stay in one spot and like clean it up. You go pew, 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 pew.
It's everywhere.
So Holly and I just did some, just shot some toy videos. This is kind of how we do our little setup. But we got a neat little toy today. It's just fun. You guys can go watch the full video, but I just want to show real quick. It's called Littlest Pet Shop. And they're neat little figures that we got. They're by Moose Toys. These are the same people that do like Shopkins and Trash Pack. This is something new they came out with, but it makes all these sounds. Like this is a little house here, and you put your figures in there. You guys can go watch the video. I just wanted to show you guys. It's so cool. I love the like fart sounding stuff. Oh, do it again.
Gotta get things moving. I just said to Michael, does Bran make you go to the bathroom? And he's like, yeah. And I'm gonna eat his raisin. I have to cough. Oh, it hurts so bad. I keep getting this tickle in my throat. I'm gonna have to cough and it hurts. So with your pain medicine that they prescribe me, it's like really strong stuff. And it messes up your stomach to where you like can't go to the bathroom. So I'm gonna try some good old bran, I guess. We eat Raisin Bran because we like it.
I love Raisin Bran.
Not because like we're old and...
That's the double extra raisin too. Raisin Bran, so they like put tons of raisins in there.
I don't know, do they really?
Yeah.
I'm not seeing a lot. But,
they like bunch up like all in the bottom of the box.
Guess I'm gonna give this a whirl and see if it helps. Now...
Jeez, yeah. You're gonna be doing some major doing. That's a big bowl of cereal.
So you cleanse before the surgery, and then the narcotics that they give you mess with your stomach and make it to where you can't go to the bathroom. So then you're just like, it's all just miserable. But hopefully this will help. Now I stopped taking the narcotics today, and I'm just on regular like Tylenol because I'm hoping that'll kind of help me to get back to normal, like all together, because I've just been out of it for a few days. So I'm like, okay, I need to just get on regular Tylenol and hopefully get back to myself instead of taking these like really strong drugs, which are great for the pain, but not so much for
everything else.
So I'm on just regular Tylenol now, but I'm just still in pain because it stinks. The good stuff works, takes the pain away.
You can leave that out. I don't have to poo, but I just want some Raisin Bran.
Well, I gotta poo, so. It's time for the question of the day. Today's question.
Okay. From me. I picked it because today is National Superheroes Day. And he's stepping all over your computer.
I see that.
Your phone. So today's question comes from Thegamergeek 1029. What would your superhero name be, and what power would you have?
Okay, do you want to start?
I'll go first. I'm going to use the name Tachyius, which if you guys... I don't want to step it on your phone. If you guys have ever heard of a tachyon, which is faster than the speed of light. So I'd want to be like super fast. Like I'd like to be fast like Flash, but I would be able to fly like Superman. So fast flying, fast running, which Superman does both.
Yeah, that's true.
So Tachyius, which is a tachyon, which is
Tachyius.
faster than the speed of light.
Okay.
Which is pretty fast.
That's pretty fast. What's your answer?
I guess cat girl, and I would want to have like the powers of the cat and be able to climb up walls and stuff like that. Isn't that already someone?
Yeah.
That's what I'm going with.
Cat kid.
Cat kid.
Cat Alex.
You're funny. I'm gonna go with Happy Holly.
Oh,
And I would have the power to make anybody happy.
The power to annoy us all.
Hey, it would come awfully handy when Chelsea's running around here fussing. I was just thinking, oh, it'd be nice to be able to just take anyone that's having a bad day and make them happy. Or if Chelsea is having a 2-year-old moment, I could just, bam, make her happy. And it'd be that simple. Wouldn't that be nice?
Sure. I'd rather go really fast, but okay.
Happy Holly, because I want people to be happy. That's my answer.
Okay, so the question for you guys, what would your superhero name be, and what power would you have? National Superhero Day.
Leave it in the comments below.